We're here on the Hanwha stand at EMO, and William is about to tell us about a brand new machine that is launched at this show.
Yeah, you're right. So we bring some machine to here. Yeah, this is the first time we are showing to our customer. Yeah.
And I believe that it's not until next year when this is going to be available to the global market. So it's only a few months away.
Yeah, so we are planning to do so before releasing. So we're gonna check our quality and also something more testing. But absolutely, I'm sure that next year you can meet this model all over the world. Yeah.
Brilliant. That's exciting. Right. Okay. Tell me about the model. What's happening in industry where you go, we needed to bring the XV20 to market?
Okay. So nowadays, it's a Swiss time machine period. There is no any specific market, but we think that so machine has more tool and more is a power. So we input all our technology here. So we are targeting medical and also automotive and also hydraulic and industrial market, all of them, but it's mainly medical and automotive part sector.
So you're telling me that you believe that Swiss type machining, you're needing machines with more power.
Yeah.
So what are you doing in this machine?
So what we did, first we did some cross milling and drilling. So we upgraded power. Before previous model is 1 kilowatt. Now this is a 2 kilowatt as standard. Okay.
As standard.
As standard, yeah.
And what other improvements have you got in the machine? Is there, and what's the power on both?
Both is a 3.7 kilowatt, and also main and servo is both built-in motor.
Right. And what are the benefits having a built-in motor?
Built-in motor has got more powerful, especially in the same class. Sub-spindle spindle motor is usual because sub-spindle area does not need more powerful than is a main spindle. But we applied sub-spindle has more built-in motor as well because this model has wide vector area. We did a lot of technology as you see here.
So you've increased obviously the power and the capacity. Tell me about the capacity. What type of size of components can we put into this machine?
This model is a XV20, means that 20 diameter is a maximum, but you also available 26 diameter as well. Yeah. So now XV20 and 26. It's a maximum 26, yeah, for this model.
And these aren't the only features on the machine.
Yeah. So look at here is a Y2 area, vector position. It means that is a sub-spindle and Y2 is working. So I explained to you before, we upgrade the motor power in sub-spindle as well, okay? So to do it, Y2 area, we did this additional cross tool and turning tool post is also equipped. So more complex machining was possible with the sub-spindle area. This is a convertible type guide bush unit, means that guide bush is and non-guide bush available. So guide bush type, when you use a guide bush, jet one stroke is 240 millimeter. Previous one is 210. And non-guide bush type, when you use 80 millimeter possible. So more is an option for the customer when you buy this machine on.
Well, there you have it, William. Thank you. It's Hanwha bringing more capacity, more power, and more options to machinists in the sliding head market.